Welcome to this web tutorial on the Illinois State Report Card. Each year, Illinois school districts provide required information to the State Board of Education that is reviewed and analyzed in order to gain a deeper understanding of the public schools across our state and right here in Evanston, Skokie. This information is compiled into school report cards and district report cards that are released each fall to show how our district is doing. This includes our elementary, middle, and magnet schools. The information contained in the report card is from the previous school year. ISB created an online interactive dashboard so that families, staff, and community members could have easy access to important information. School report cards complement the information shared in the annual reporting that District 65 conducts related to student achievement, finance, and other key areas. The dashboard contains a variety of information, including demographics, student achievement based on Illinois Assessment of Readiness scores, 5 essential survey results, school designations. New this year is site-based expenditure reporting in the district finances section. As part of the new State of Illinois accountability system, school report cards also include school designations, which are meant to describe how well a school is meeting the needs of all of its students. This system recognizes that some schools need more than others in order to achieve the same high outcomes. Schools that receive designations of either underperforming or lowest performing will receive additional planning resources from the state to further support certain subgroups. In 2019, District 65 has 4 schools which are designated as exemplary, 10 schools designated as commendable, and 1 school designated as underperforming. We have 0 schools designated lowest performing. We would now like to highlight some of the important information that you can access. Here you see the Illinois Report Card website. It's illinoisreportcard.com. You would enter Evanston and then select School District 65. The first page takes you to an overall district snapshot. Here you can see how many schools we have, the rate of student mobility, our school expenditures and financial data, and summative designation ratings. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a different menu. When you click them, they open up. So you can see, for example, under academic progress, you can dig into data related to the IAR assessment. Here you can toggle between English language arts data and mathematics data. This will display by default the overall student data. You can see the different performance levels. Here is where the performance level threshold splits. Students on this side have met or exceeded standards. Students on this side have either approached, partially met, or did not meet standards. You can look at the data by grade and demographics as well. One of the best features of the Illinois State Report Card is that it's so interactive. If you are interested in the performance of different groups of students, such as 5th grade students of different demographic groups, you can then dig into the data and add demographic groups so that you could better understand student performance. That data will appear below, and you can see and compare data between different populations of students. You can also take a look at the achievement gap. You can select and compare different populations of students to understand how we are progressing in terms of meeting the needs of all learners. The wealth of data contained in the Illinois School Report Card goes beyond assessment data. Under the District Environment tab, school climate survey data is only shown by school, so you would need to look at your individual school report card in order to get a sense of how your school is doing based on the 5 Essentials survey. You can also get a sense of our financial outlook. Under the Student tab, you can see aggregate information about our district, as well as comparisons to the state data. There are also tabs showing you information about teacher demographics and teacher-student ratios, and information about administrators. While we've been showing you all of the data that is at the district aggregate level, you can also look at any individual school's report card. In order to do that, you could simply return to the home, and here in this box, you put in the school name. Once you've entered the school name, you can hit search or click on the name when it starts populating, and it will take you to your school's report card.